Welcome. In front of me I have ULEFONE Armor 3W, and I'll show you how we can turn off Google Assistant on the smartphone. So at the first we have to move for the Play Store. Next we have to tap on the search bar and type Google. We have to get the latest version of the Google app. So let's tap on the update. Okay, and when it's finished, we can open the Google app, then tap on the more, move to the settings, tap on the Google Assistant, and next we have to scroll down until we find the general settings. It's right here, so all I have to do right now is to simply tap on the switcher, then click turn off. And as you can see right now, that's how we can make it. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.